Hello friends, I am Vaishnavi from Radiance Academy. Today we will be looking at the different types of movements in plants, osmosis, active transport and diffusion. Now for a better understanding, we will revise the previous concept. I'll give you an example. We have taken container A and container B, both filled with solvent, which is water. Now I'll add 2 tablespoons of sugar, which is a solute, to container A and only 1 tablespoon of sugar to container B. So which solution is at a higher concentration? The one in container A, because I have added 2 tablespoons of sugar to container A and just 1 tablespoon of sugar to container B. So now let's get started. Let's look at the very first process, osmosis. Osmosis is the movement of molecules from the region of higher concentration to the region of lower concentration through a semi-permeable membrane. In the picture, you can see a beaker filled with water and there is a funnel which is filled with sweet water, which is the yellow colored water in the picture. These two waters are separated by a semi-permeable membrane, which is a cellophane paper. We leave this setup for some time. When we return, we see that there is a rise in the level of water in the thistle funnel, which is the yellow colored water. This shows that the water moved from its higher concentration, which is in the beaker, to its lower concentration, which is in the thistle funnel. If you taste the water in the beaker, it does not taste sweet, which shows that the sugar has not passed from the thistle funnel to the beaker. The cellophane paper just allows the water molecules to pass, not the bigger mineral molecules. Okay, now let's look at the next process. Yeah friends, one more thing. The most important term in osmosis is the semi-permeable membrane. It is very important. Now let's look at active transport. It is just the opposite of osmosis. It is the passage of a substance from its region of higher concentration to the region of lower concentration. This is osmosis. Active transport is the passage of a substance from its region of lower concentration to the region of higher concentration by using energy from the cell. Now let's look at two different videos to get the difference. In this video, you can see that the child is sliding down. And in this video, you can see that the child is trying to climb up a slide. The child who is getting down from the slide is depicting osmosis. He is coming down from a higher level to a lower level. The child who is climbing up the slide is performing active transport, moving from a lower level to a higher level. As an active transport, the cell uses the energy stored in itself. The child over here is also exerting some energy to climb up, whereas the child who is sliding down is not using any energy. Now let's look at diffusion, which is the last term of the video. Diffusion is the free movement of molecules of a substance from the region of higher concentration to the region of lower concentration when the two are in direct contact. You will find this one quite similar to osmosis, but it is not. In osmosis, the two solutions are separated by a semi-permeable membrane, whereas in this, the two solutions are in direct contact. Now let's look at a video. In this, we have taken a bowl of water and some paint. Now we'll add the paint to the bowl of water by using a paintbrush. Can you see the paint is at its higher concentration now when we have just put it in the water? Can you see the way it is spreading? It's getting diffused in the water slowly. Now we'll add some more paint for clear results. Can you see the way it is spreading? It's getting diffused from its higher concentration to lower concentration. Now we have mixed the paint in the entire solution. And slowly the entire solution will turn red. This process goes on until the entire solution becomes of a equal concentration. So now the entire solution has become red in color. I hope you enjoyed this video with many experiments. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe our channel and also share it with your friends. Thank you.